Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. Many of us crafters shy away from stamping because it can be hard to get good, consistent results. And as a card maker, I've had my challenges getting a nice, clear, stamped image. But this VersaFine full-size ink pad in onyx has become my go-to ink for stamping sentiments as well as really detailed stamps. Whether I tap the stamp to the ink pad or vice versa, I get the right amount of coverage to have consistent and clear results. The black is such a rich, deep color, and I feel like I get really professional results that I'm proud to use on my cards. This VersaFine full-size ink pad in onyx has made my stamping so much better. It really has been a game changer for me, and I reach for it constantly to do my stamping in my cards as well as in my other projects and crafts. And that's my point of view.